Hi everyone. So today we are doing an infinity pour using a funnel. I have a regular funnel, but it does not sit flush with my canvas. So I made one using a Propel bottle. So got that there. This was a challenge from a Facebook group created by Tracy Reed. So I've never done this before, so this should be exciting. The challenge was to create an infinity pour using two color shifting paints. So I have chose to use DecoArt's Enchanted Shimmer for mine. I have here a custom purple that I created using a variety of colors. I believe all of this is from Artist's Loft Soft Body Paints. Cannot tell you for sure on that. Then I have DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer in blue. It looks white right now, but once it mixes with the darker colors, it will dry blue, and it will probably take on a little bit of the shade from the purple and the red. I don't know for sure, but this is the color palette that I decided I like best. Okay, so this is a custom created carmine, again using, I think, mostly Artist's Loft Soft Body Paints, but this actually might have some Amsterdam in it. I don't really remember. I didn't have carmine at the time, so I created this, and the really neat thing is, I want to show you this. This here is Amsterdam's carmine. Now this has been lightened up, but look how close I got those. That is pretty darn cool. You do not need to purchase all the colors from all the brands. You can create your own. All you need is a handy dandy color wheel and ChatGPT, because ChatGPT will tell you what colors you need, and then you can go from there and be able to mix them to the color that you like. Pretty stinking cool. Okay, anyway, so I also have DecoArt Enchanted Shimmer in magenta. Again, looks white, but it will dry magenta. And then I have Acrylic Turquoise. This is a brand from the Dollar Tree, but I love their turquoise. It is such a pretty color. So that is our color palette for today. I have no idea how this is actually going to come out because I've never done this before, but I'm excited to do it.
Good morning, how do you do? Can you feel the sunlight breaking through? You keep waiting for the afternoon, but can you hear the birds calling out to you? Take your sorrows and let them go, my dear. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Take your troubles, hang them on the chandelier. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Yeah, it's been a good year. Good evening, how was your day? Can you feel the love as you pull away? My darling, what do you say? Let's take the best and throw the rest away. Take your sorrows and let them go, my dear. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Take your troubles, hang them on the chandelier. They don't define you. It's been a good the garden has grown into something beautiful, so beautiful. Just look at you. Oh, can you feel the sunlight breaking through? Breaking through, yeah, yeah. Take your sorrows and let them go, my dear. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Take your troubles, hang them on the chandelier. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Take your sorrows and let them go, my dear. They don't define you. It's been a good year. Take your troubles, hang them on.
So definitely does not look like infinities, but it is really cool. And I think that once this dries, those enchanted shimmers are really going to shine. I think they're going to look really pretty against the reds and the purples. But I don't know. We'll find out. Let me bring you in for some close-ups here and show you some of the really cool spots on this. So to begin with, you can see all the shimmer in there. So that white line that is showing through here, that is Enchanted Shimmer Magenta, and this lighter blue is the Enchanted Shimmer Blue. I love all of the shimmer in this. It is so pretty. This corner over here is pretty cool. I love the lines in that one. This is probably my favorite corner. I just really like the ghost effect that you get from the shimmers. So all in all, I mean, for my first time, I don't think it's that bad. I think it's really pretty, and I think this would work really, really well for some geode art. So we'll see what it looks like when it's dry, and then we'll figure out what to do with it from there. Alright, so this was my first time ever doing an infinity pour. It most certainly does not look like an infinity sign on any of it, but from what I've seen, they typically don't. So I'm pretty happy with it overall. I think it is very dark, and I don't really care for that part of it. I really, really love how the carmine red shines through on this. It kind of takes center stage, which is really cool. Let me bring you in for some of the details on here. I love all the rings. I think it is so pretty, and I think this would make a really great geode piece using resin, because there's just so many awesome rings and striations through here. Got a few little pops of turquoise that have come through from air bubbles. This is really pretty. I love this corner. So I really like it. I do want to do something to brighten it up. Definitely going to play around with doing some geode artwork with epoxy on this, since it was a recycled canvas and it was my first try, so why not? So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I would really love to know your thoughts, what I should do with it. Am I on the right track turning this into a geode art? Tell me what you think. And it is available for purchase. If you want it as is, please let me know. I won't be doing anything with it for a couple of weeks because it needs to cure. But yeah, let me know, and either drop me a comment or email me at inspiringbeautydesigns@hotmail.com. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all the things. It helps me to grow my channel, and by subscribing and hitting that notification bell, you will see every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful night.